Oh, hello. So today what we have here is this beautiful piece of cast iron, and it is shaped like a waffle iron. Now it is very nice, but there is some things we don't like about it. The main thing being all this rust that we have covering it. Now we don't want this rust because it doesn't look good. It doesn't feel good. And honestly, if we tried to cook with this, it wouldn't taste good. As well as rust, I think it might be toxic to eat, so we really don't want that. But we really do want it gone. So how are we going to do that? Well, we could scrub it, steel wool, put a bit of elbow grease in it, take it right off. But that sounds like a lot of work, and I really can't be bothered doing that. So today I'm going to be using the method of electrolysis, and I'll show you what that is right now. Alright, so this is my electrolysis setup. I've got a plastic tub, I've got an electrolyte solution inside of here, and I've got two pieces of metal. One which we want to clean, one which is going to be a sacrificial piece of metal. Now, why would we call that a sacrificial piece of metal? That's because through this process, this piece is going to become quite rusty. It's actually going to corrode. They call this piece the anode. And this other piece here that we want clean, they call that the cathode. Now, so we're going to connect a negative charge here, which we have a little alligator clip on this piece here. So we're going to put the negative charge through here, and then the sacrificial piece here, we have the positive charge coming through. So the cathode is going to gain electrons, and our anode is going to lose electrons. And this process is going to make this piece erode, and this piece is going to help take the rust off. So I've got it all connected, but I don't have it switched on. So well, let's give it a flick and see what happens. Alright, so immediately we can see all these bubbles forming and just billowing off here. So I'm pretty sure that's hydrogen gas, and that's because there's all sorts of, well, chemical reactions going on here. Now we have little bubbles coming off here. So what we can see is that, well, our circuit's working. Something's happening, you know? And we can find out in about 24 hours exactly what happens. So we'll see you soon. Okay, so it's been about 20 minutes, and we can see, a little difficult to see, but you can just see like clouds of bubbles coming up through here. That's the piece we want cleaned. This one, it's got small amounts of bubbles, not as much, but some. And we can just see the whole thing it's already looking pretty grimy. It's just like some film, little bits of orange rust sitting on top. So this is working. This is working. I'd be very curious to see how it's going to look in, well, tomorrow. We'll check back in, alright? Alright, so here we are 24 hours later. Now we can see there's still plenty of bubbles coming off of this, and another thing is these kind of layers of scum, and the whole entire bottom of this tub it's orange. It's just all this rust has come off. You can even see it around the edges here. So something's definitely happened in this 24 hours. Let's take the piece out and see what it looks like. Alright, so look at that, huh? Final result. Nice, clean iron, alright? Look at that. So clean. Maybe little spots of rust still here, but honestly, look at this. Just beautiful, clean, black iron, right? Oof. We'd love to see it, right? And I would have loved to have seen a before and after of this, but I've done something even better. I have our other piece that I haven't cleaned at all. Now look at that, huh? Bloody hell. Look how dirty this thing is. Oh, yuck. Ew. Oh, who wants to eat off this, huh? Ugh. It's definitely seasoned with something that will make you sick. Ugh. But this one, oh my god. Ooh, yes. I would love to eat waffles made with this one. Let me tell you, hey? Can't really argue with the results, can you? That's science at work. I didn't have to really break a sweat getting this clean. Just put it in a tub, ran an electrical current through, and look. Love it. Beautiful. Chef's kiss. Alright, so now we come to the PSA/disclaimer part of the video. Because I know what you're thinking. Electricity, water, they don't go together, alright? Historically, very dangerous combination. You'd be absolutely right. I don't recommend anyone do this at home, okay? So don't try this at home. Don't do what I'm doing. It's probably not a smart idea. So just don't do it, alright? However, I want to reassure you that I am in absolutely no danger at all doing this, okay? This is a tried and true method of rust removal. Electrolysis. Look it up. But not because I told you to, alright? Don't do it. I don't want to be responsible for anything, right? But, so just show you what's going to happen, is we have our positive, that's going to connect to the anode, the piece that's going to become rusty. We have here is our negative, and it's going to connect to the cathode, which is going to get clean. Now, if we put them together, just a simple little thing like you see, it's just very, very safe and I made no risk here at all. And just said, please don't try this at home, okay?